Yassas from the back streets of Potamos. Today we're going to take you on one of the probably 2 or 3 tours of Potamos. So Kalie, where are we?
We're at the back of Ayos Yanis, which is here. And just to give you a perspective, we're at the back of Koroniadika, and we've just walked down, and across the road is Ilariotisa Church and the bank building. Now let's go down here, and we're going to slowly head down to Megalokonominaika and Panaretiankia. So we're just walking down this little street here, and we're heading away from Ayos Yanis Church, and we're heading down towards Panaretiankia.
What area is this one here though?
This one, I think we are kind of combined with Megalokonominaika and heading down into Panaretiankia.
Let me guess, Megalokonomika is where all the Megalokonomos are from?
Oh, that's right. And that's where our soy would have been.
Of course. And obviously the Koroniadika we just went past were all the Koroneos.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And guess what? We're heading to Panaretiankia.
Let me guess. That's Panareto?
Yeah.
Yeah, Potamos is actually very easy when you're looking at districts to see where your family would be from.
So as you can see, there's a lot of houses that have been done up down here. I haven't walked down here for many, many years, and last time I looked, there was a lot of houses falling down. So it warms my heart that they're actually fixing them up.
And look, I've noticed that in the other walking tours I've done, a lot of places are being renovated. It's lovely to see.
Yeah, look at that one. Looks like that one's being worked on at the moment, which is wonderful. So we're walking down Megalokonominaika, and we've come across the prickly pears, which are just ready to come out.
Kalie, come over here, look at this.
Oh, isn't that beautiful? There goes Amalia. We're walking through this beautiful area.
Oh, look here, show them that.
Oh, and that's the back of Potamos. That area up there is Ayia Triada area.
Oh,
so we're looking at a cross to Ayia Triada. Can't quite see the church.
Doesn't matter, keep moving down.
But yeah, that is the area of Ayia Triada over there.
Now where's this one?
We're heading down to Panaretiankia now.
Isn't this lovely?
This is beautiful. Very cool down here.
Yeah.
Does it look like?
Of course, you've got the cicadas in the background.
Of course. And now we're heading out. And Panaretiankia is at the bottom of Potamos as you're kind of leaving Potamos. So you'll see that there's some bigger, grander homes down here. A lot of neoclassical homes were built down here because, people went away and they came back from Australia or America and started building bigger homes.
Okay, now we've come into the top of bottom, Kalie, of Panaretiankia.
Top of Panaretiankia.
Okay, we're heading down more. Okay, let's see. Kalie, what do you know about here? Oh, look at that.
Yeah, so, wow, there are a lot more houses that have been done up down here. Like I said, I came down here about 7-8 years ago, and they were all in ruin. So it warms my heart.
And it's lovely to see, isn't it? As I said before, I'm seeing a lot of development on the island. I think it's lovely. This is the bottom of Panaretiankia. Now let's see if we can go find the church. Okay, all I can say is I'm so glad I had Kalie with me. I would never have found this through the laneways, but here we have, what's this church, Kalie?
This is Ayos Kosmas at Panaretiankia.
So if you've got Panareto family, they would all have been baptised and married and funerals in this church. So thanks for watching our first part of Potamo.